climb capacity 8 degrees. If the angle over 8, the S3 will have alarm. S3 with small size, so it's very easy to get into the elevator and wait after the fold, and very easy to get into the truck. Okay, I will show you how to fold it. Only 2 steps. First, you will only push out the seat folding handle and press down the seat. Secondly, we only need to fold the steering. Now we finished the fold. It's very small. When you go for a long trip, you can take it in your truck. Open the mobility scooter is very easy. You only need to, when you listen the click sound, means we open the seat very well. Now turn on it.
Reverse mode. Try reversing. Caution, please.
Here is 3 grades of the backward go forward speed. The maximum speed is 10 km per hour.
Hold the throttle lever to walk the cart
and the maximum
release to stop.
Speed of reverse is 2 km per hour. And the armrest of S3. Hello dear friend, welcome to our live stream. I'm introduce our mobility scooter S3. You can see this the armrest is flip up. It's easy to get in and get out the scooter. And you can see our S3 with seat sensor. If you sit on the seat in wrong posture,
take a seat before driving.
The mobility scooter can't forward